Greetings everyone. Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. Let me show you this 2017 Ram 1500 SLT 4x4 crew cab. It is black with a diesel gray interior, has the 5.7 liter Hemi, the big touchscreen, that's the 8-inch with the phone connections and the Sirius. It's navigation compatible. It has nice aggressive Goodyear Wranglers on there. They're about 80% there. The oil's just been changed. It's been inspected. One owner, clear Carfax. Carfax has two owners, but that's the dealer taking title. We're going to give you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. Seated Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, autoramaauto.com. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.